Now, finally result declared by the Bundelkhand University Jhansi of the B.Ed entrance exam conducted on the 1st June. I also told the counseling process how much numbers are required, how much numbers required for the counseling process. First, you can see your result at the website bujhansi.ac.in, bujhansi.ac.in. Go there, account number, date of birth, your roll number, and you can see the result. The exam total how many space? 2,40,000 seats are available. 2,40,000. If you for the counseling process, for to the open in OBC, from the 400 marks you must acquire 200 marks. From the 400 you must acquire 200. For the SC/ST, out of 400 you must acquire 180. Out of 400 marks you acquire 180. Share this important exam to the maximum students so they can know all about their result as well as how much marks are required for the counseling process. Share. Thanks.